Is your diesel truck suddenly blowing excessive smoke, losing its towing power, and running much hotter than normal? Your emission system might be completely overwhelmed and failing to trap harmful gases. We are looking closely at diagnostic trouble code P2000, which means NOx trap efficiency below threshold on bank 1. This is a generic powertrain code that applies to many modern diesel vehicles driving on American roads. Unlike gasoline engines, diesels produce a high amount of nitric oxide, or NOx, due to their oxygen-rich exhaust. Standard catalytic converters cannot handle this, so diesel trucks use a complex selective catalytic reduction system. A key part of this is the NOx trap, which is filled with a special zeolite compound that physically catches and holds these harmful molecules. To clean or refresh this trap, the system automatically injects a tiny amount of diesel exhaust fluid, or sometimes raw diesel fuel, into the exhaust. The engine computer uses special sensors before and after the trap to measure exactly how efficiently it is working. Bank 1 simply refers to the side of the engine containing cylinder number 1. When the computer sees that the trap is no longer catching enough pollutants and the emissions are too high, it triggers this specific code. The symptoms of a failing NOx trap are usually very obvious. You will likely see a thick cloud of smoke coming from your tailpipe, experience a major loss of engine power, notice the engine temperature running higher than usual, and your fuel efficiency will completely tank. The absolute most common cause for this code is simply using cheap, contaminated, or incorrect diesel exhaust fluid, which ruins the chemical reaction. Other causes include a permanently overloaded or physically melted NOx trap, a broken fluid injection pump, a failed exhaust gas recirculation valve, or a massive exhaust leak before the trap. If you want to tackle this in your driveway, start with the easiest fix first. Check your reductant fluid tank. If the fluid is old, crusty, or of unknown quality, drain it completely and fill it with fresh, high-quality fluid recommended by your manufacturer. Next, safely crawl under the truck and inspect the exhaust pipes for any obvious black soot marks that would indicate a major exhaust leak upstream of the trap. Also, check the wiring harness connecting to the sensors for melted plastic. When is it time to take your heavy-duty truck to a certified diesel mechanic? If fresh fluid does not solve the problem, testing the internal efficiency of an NOx trap and commanding the fluid injector requires a highly advanced bidirectional scan tool. A professional technician can monitor the live sensor data to see exactly when the chemical reaction is failing, saving you from blindly replacing an incredibly expensive exhaust system. Thanks for tuning in and drive safely out there.